Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn negative numbers to red in Google Sheets. Now as you can see here, you are seeing some negative numbers here and we want to be able to highlight them. And to do that, what we're going to do is just highlight the entire column right here, right click, and we're going to go ahead and look for conditional formatting. Now that we are done, make sure that the cells are selected and then format cells if. We're going to go ahead and choose that one, less than, and then we're going to go ahead and enter a value of 0 here. Now, as of the moment, it is formatted green color, but we can change that one by clicking this one right here. You can go ahead and choose whatever kind of red you'd like to use here. Personally, I'd like to use light red so that it's not that much. Oops, this is not the one, but this one right here. All right, there you go. So we're going to choose fill color instead, and you can go ahead and do some other formatting as well, such as bold, italicize, underline. Really, it's up to you. And yeah, once you're done, just go ahead and click the done button right here, and you can see that all those numbers with negative are actually highlighted now. So yep, that's the easiest way to turn negative numbers to red in Google Sheets.